So our garage door opener broke, and we chose to get this Chamberlain chain. So let's unbox this and see what we got here. So Patrick just took this out of the box, and it was packaged pretty well. It's got, what is this? Do you know?
That's all the hardware. The nuts, the bolts, everything to attach it to the wall, and then
so it's
attach it to the door.
That's all in one package. That's nice. And then
that looks like the sensor.
Oh, the two? It came with two, right?
Yeah, or I could be wrong. There's the chain. Okay. That's the bracket that attaches to the door. That looks like the wall mount.
This is the thing I'm interested in. Okay, so the mic cue. All right, so there's the light button, and then you can download an app and close it from anywhere. That's really nice. This is the thing that I liked about it, was you can actually like download the app and set the door to close on a schedule. So I'm gonna set up a schedule for every night we close the door at like 8 or 9 o'clock or something. That's why I was really excited about that part. Okay, what is this heavy thing? It's a large gray box, it looks like.
Looks like a battery.
Okay, maybe that's a battery for the... Okay.
So apparently this thing can still be used if the power goes out. So it's...
Oh yeah, that's right.
That would be my guess. That's the battery to help keep the thing going when power goes.
Okay, yeah, that is one thing that we liked about this was the battery backup. If our power goes out, then we don't have to worry about our door like losing power. We can still work it up to 10 times, and this is the battery backup for it. Love that. And then here's the chain. We went with the chain version because that's what we have right now instead of the belt version. So that's the chain for it. And then in here is the actual like...
There's the actual unit.
Unit itself.
There's the sensors.
Okay, there's for the at the bottom of the door. All right.
I'm not sure what this is.
So then we have another clip here. Oh, and here's the two openers. Okay, and then this is where, so we got the version that has like, it has a little camera on it, and it has two lights on it. So the front light and the back light. And this one comes with the orange, I believe it was the orange learning button right here. But this is Chamberlain powered by my Q. And I was just excited about this because this little camera can like watch, kind of watch in the front and see what's going on. So in the back, you can probably hear our dogs in the background. So what is this looking like on the bottom? Can you just slide that out for a minute?
That's the top. This is the bottom.
Oh, okay. So that's the top
faces down.
Okay. All right, so then this is the top that connects to the other parts to sit up there and stuff. All right, so you got this part, and you got some this. You're gonna have a fun time putting this together. And then here's the rails for the top. And I think we went over that part with all the cords and stuff. But there's the power. I'm so excited for this to get up in our garage. I think this is going to be really nice. we've needed a new one for a while, and this is definitely a nice upgrade. So if you're looking for a chain garage door opener from Chamberlain, Chamberlain is a really good name. It's a well-known brand. And oh, one other thing. So this is the door, universal door keypad that we decided to get. So everything came with this, like it came with the door opener and the battery backup. It came with 2 openers. It came for your car. And then this is the one that hooks to your wall. But it did not come with this keypad, which you can put outside of the door. So I just grabbed that. But yeah, if you're looking for a replacement for your chain garage door opener, I would say check this one out because I'm excited about this one. This is going to work well for us. Highly recommend.